My name is Kathleen and I'm the manager at Arco Storage here in Pioneer, California. We are located at 26701 Wagon Wheel Drive in Pioneer, California, right off of Highway 88, less than half a mile away from the local grocery store, IGA Payless. What sets us apart at Arco Storage is our security and cleanliness, with 48 security cameras located throughout our facility, but more importantly, our customer service. We take pride in treating each and every one of our customers like family. We are proud to offer the only office in the Upcountry area with a full-time manager here 5 days a week to help with your storage needs, with access 365 days a year from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. At Arco Storage in Pioneer, we offer drive-up units as well as interior units to meet your storage needs and budgets. Our sizes range from a 5x5 to a 10x25 for your convenience. All units are ground level for quick, easy access. We also offer units within our insulated and ventilated building to protect your valuables from extreme heat and dust exposure. With keypad gate and roll-up door entry for easy access, motion sensor lighting, and carts for loading and unloading. Looking to store your travel trailer or boat? Our covered and uncovered parking spaces range from a 10x20 to a 13x45 with perimeter security fencing, paved surfaces, wide driveways, and digital keypad entry. We offer a full line of packing and moving supplies starting at just $199, including some of the harder to find items such as dish pack kits, picture packers, wardrobe boxes, and furniture covers. We also have bundle deals at checkout with our boxes.